folks, Rick again. So thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time visiting the channel, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoy the video. So this is episode 8 of my barn restoration. This was actually filmed back in early September. Right now it's December 14th. The actual video is from early September, pouring the footers for the barn. I've just been so busy at work and trying to get the barn wrapped up that I haven't had time to finish my videos. So we're nearing the end. A couple more videos after this and that'll be it. So anyway, enjoy the video and let's get at it. Thank you.
We need to be level, right? Yeah. Some back here, unless we're gonna. Is he gonna shoot some in on as he's leaving?
We're gonna shoot from the front, but you're almost halfway.
Yeah, I mean then, yeah.
A little more?
Yeah.
Can't see where the nails are. A little lower on this corner.
You know that, right?
You might get a pop right up over.
Yeah, I mean, I gotta get some more down in here. Yeah.
So we're gonna hop this corner.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Take a little break for the fingers there. Flat and straight down. Okay?
Down.
Yeah, let me see. I'll help you.
And keep it flat like a high five.
Look, it won't do anything. It's okay. I got it on my hands. Look, put your hand just like this. Want me to help you?
Look at what you'll get if you do it. Go ahead.
No, I need this. I need this to write your name. Here, you can have this piece. No, the other one. The other one. This
You have
one.
to share it.
But you have to put your hand. You have to put your hand on there first. Oh, easy. One at a time. Ready? I think it might be too wet still.
Yeah.
It's pretty close. All right, Mama, towel. Well, hold on, baby. We gotta get a couple more to do.
That's pretty cute. Maybe just do. Can you do 2020?
Hold on, baby.
Are you gonna leave all this?
Yeah.
So go ahead and put your hands maybe
That's a
right over
step.
here, and then we'll try to do Ollie's near.
Just reach in.
This is awkward. I don't know what I'm doing here.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Just press down and leave your hand impression. There you go.
Yeah, don't go too deep.
Don't you feel like you're
Here, here's a towel.
at, you know,
get your
in
gums.
Hollywood?
Madison did it. You want to do it?
Please. Pretty please.
Your left hand looks like Wilson there.
Yeah.
Was that Wilson in
Yeah.
Castaway?
Here.
And then we'll always have it. Don't you want to put it in your barn? Yeah, then we'll say, look at Ollie.
Yeah, when you're old, you
Papa,
can see,
Papa
come back and
wants
look at
it.
We'll go inside and get you a Dixie cup
Put it in
after,
your
okay?
barn.
Yeah, but no, there's like, ooh, actually, it's like that half. He calls it a Dixie cup.
You want to put your handprints in there, please?
Right here.
Please.
Madison
If you
did it.
do, yeah, no. If you do it, you'll be there permanently forever.
Look.